What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. This is If I Had a Hammer. It's one of the coolest songs from the 60s, that folk era right there. Just super fun and fast, and you got to get your chords tight. You got to get the picking tight, strumming tight. So let's just knock it out in a couple minutes here. I just played pretty much the whole thing for you as it just repeats over and over again. You play an A major up here on the 5th fret. Now, I guess you could do an A major like that, where it's a regular A major with your pinky on the high E, but better to do an F major shape on the 5th fret and go like that. Like that, give it a good pop to C sharp minor, D major, E major right there. So A, C sharp minor, D, E. And if you get going fast, hear that? I'm gonna give it a good pop. If I had a hand, drop my pick, let me grab another one. All over the D major, E, I'd hammer around A. Now you can do a regular A major if you want to F sharp minor, and then what's cool is this D, A, D, A, D, A, E. Does it again. If I had a bell, na, 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 all over this land, and ring out A, I'd ring out F sharp minor, ring out D between A, D, A, Isn't that cool? That's it. I didn't even need 3 minutes for this lesson just because those chords are so easy, but the speed of it, the repetition, the nice tight pops right there, that's what you need to rock this song. So super fun and a blast to play. Let me know any more songs you want to hear from them, or the folk era, or the 60s or 70s or 80s, or anything. All right, catch you around. See ya.